So here's the HRO 500 case, HRO 500 radio by National. This is quite dusty and has rust. So the plan is I'm going to clean it up with some car cleaner, I think, just like I'm washing a car, get all the crud out of it. Then I'm gonna clean up the rust best I can, probably just with a Brillo pad or something, no sandpaper. And then I'm gonna spray some Krylon primer on it. I'll use this Krylon primer on the National NC300 receiver, and I still got half a can of it left, so put that onto here. And then I ordered some automotive paint. I think the color is a Ford color called KU, that's Kilowatt Uniform. I think it's also called Area 51 color, but it seemed like it was sort of close to this color. It's hard to match this color. I think the best match of this color is on the lid. That's the color I think that National has used on this thing. Anyway, it wasn't easy to match it, but I'm not going to try and match it exactly. I'm just going to try and get it close. I just want to get this case looking nice. It's really quite abused. So I think just scraping off the rust with a Brillo pad and putting a couple coats of primer on will give it a good base for the paint. And I'll put the auto paint on it, and maybe I'll heat it in the oven to bake the paint on, see how that works out. So that's the goings-ons for a Saturday here in Las Vegas. Yeah, that's kind of a mess down there too, so I probably should get some sandpaper, I guess. Maybe I'll do that. Don't have any. Sand that off. The lid isn't too bad. It looks like its hinges are pretty rusty. And the bottom, of course, is nice. The top is okay. Needs some attention. Anyway, yeah, make it look nicer. All right, that's my update on the HRO 500 restoration. I haven't done much with the radio. It's sitting over here on the floor, upside down. It's upside down, I don't know. I have the knobs against the wall because the dogs will chew off the knobs. So the knobs are safe. So I've gotten rid of a lot of radio equipment. All I have left is this Paragon #1, which was a Paragon 2 from hell. I got rid of my antenna tuner. This little meter's left over, which is handy. Still got this scope over here, which I probably should get rid of. I have it for sale, but no one's jumped on it for like $199. And that's about it. The faithful printer and the office here for my work, and the Cisco phone. I have this little server here for serving virtual machines, VMs on Linux for doing work on, and this thing's cool. It's like a keyboard switcher, KVM thing, so I can have keyboard, mouse, and this little pad on here and hit that button and switch between that computer and this Mac, which is filthy, by the way. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.